Hello everyone, and thank you for joining me on this review of the world's 15 healthiest green superfoods by Tarnev-Wydro. As we open it up, we'll just take a quick look at the table of contents. It's got about the author, how green superfoods changed my life, my story, are superfoods right for you, what you should know about the health benefits of green superfoods. It goes through spirulina, chlorella, wheatgrass, moringa, noni, and some others here. 15 of them altogether. There's a little bit about the author and her story. It's got a little bit about a little quiz here, and then it goes on. I'll just flip through and kind of show you health benefits of green superfoods, and then it explains each one in detail with the minerals and the benefits, the vitamins that are in each, and also it goes through wheatgrass, barley grass, as you can see, lemon, gotu kola, astragalus, talks about Power Shot green superfoods, and then there are some great smoothie recipes here. These are green smoothies, nutritious green smoothies, and these are the recipes. Very easy to read, and the directions are easy. It's got a lot of references here too if you want to look things up. And that's a quick overview of the world's 15 healthiest green superfoods by Tarnev-Wydro. Thanks for watching.